Missey Grace. How you doing? Last week we were working on the list of the things that you need to be organized from your pantry or your kitchen cupboard. So now we're going to talk about the things that you can substitute or replace in your cooking. So we're looking at, other than the fresh produce, we will have some dried ingredients such as dried fruit, dried herbs, and some nuts and grains such as couscous, polenta, or the recently very trendy ingredient, the quinoa, that we can add to whatever we're making, say salads or some other dishes that would really fulfill your nutritional requirements. Other than that, we'll be looking at tofu. That is the most standard item that's full of calcium and protein. So you can use the soft one or to the firm tofu to make different dishes. And also the tempeh is full of calcium and nutrition that you will love to have in the future, and I will show you how to cook with tempeh. The other thing is sauces that will really bring up the dishes to a really nice tasty meal for you. And other than that, I will be talking about, let me think, grains. I've talked about that, and tin food, I've talked about that, and snap frozen ingredients, that's also, we will have that in our list. And the next thing will be the ready-made packets that you can get from the shops. So they are already have a lot of ingredients that put together that you can use quickly in your cooking process. So that's another shortcut that you can have. Now last tip, did you know that you can use the Portobello mushroom, the size of this big, not only in the cooking, but also use it as the top and the bottom as a bun, as your burger bun. And then you can fill with the lentil patty and some other veggie to make it a beautiful vegetarian burger. I will show you how to make that. How's that? So next week, we're going to talk about what sort of equipment and tools that you need in kitchen to make your cooking process much easier and stress-free. So until such time, be well, be happy.